statistical representation of data. The geographers, economists, resource scientists and decision makers use a lot of data these days. The data may be used in lobular form and also be presented in some graphic or diagrammatic form. The visual methods like graphs, diagrams, map and charts is also called representation of data. Such diagrams and graphs make it easy to understand, and one can compare the data easily by looking at these diagrams. The graphs and diagrams may also be drawn within the maps. Some elementary statistical methods are used in geography. They are index number. An index number is a statistical measure designed to show changes in variable or a group of related variables with respect to time. The simple aggregate method is most commonly used. It is obtained using the formula sigma q1 divided by sigma q0 into 100. Sigma q1 equals total of the current year production. Sigma of q0 equals total of the base year production. Generally, base year values are taken as 100 and index number calculated. For example, production of cotton in India is as here. Frequency distribution. The processing of raw data requires their tabulation and classification in selected classes. For example, marks obtained by 60 students is as given. The raw data given ranges from 2 to 96. We can conveniently choose to group the data into 10 classes with an interval of 10 units in each group. The selection of class interval and number of classes depends upon the range of data. Marking tally marks to obtain frequency is as shown. Sigma of f equals n equals 60. The number of individuals in the fourth column are known as frequency, and the column represents frequency distribution. Simple frequencies. It is expressed by f and represents the number of individuals falling in each group. The sum of all the frequencies assigned to all classes represents the total number of individual observations in the given series. It is expressed by the symbol n, that is equal to sigma f. It is expressed as sigma of f equals n, which equals 60. Cumulative frequencies. It is expressed by Cf and can be obtained by adding successive simple frequencies in each group with the previous sum. Example, frequency distribution is as shown here. Advantage of cumulative frequency is that one can easily make out that there are 37 individuals obtaining less than 60, or 27 out of 60 individuals are below 50 marks. As shown in the frequency table, two numbers are shown in the first column. The upper limit of one group is the same as the lower limit of the next group. For example, the upper limit of one group 10 to 20 is 20, which is the lower limit of the next group 20 to 30, making 20 to appear in both the groups. But any observation having the value of 20 is included in the group where it is at its lower limit, and it is excluded from the group where it is the upper limit as 10 to 20. That is why the method is known as exclusive method. That is, a group is excluded of its upper limits. If the value equal to the upper limit of a group is included in the same group is known as inclusive method.